Good morning, friends. Today's is the 10th episode. For the previous episodes, you may refer to that YouTube English speaking and learning with grammar. Hope you are enjoying the studies. You are able to write properly with the grammar by using the tense, by using proper verb, and you are able to speak also. So yesterday we talked about passive voice in past tense, how to convert. There are 4 tenses in past, types of tenses. And in the previous lecture, prior to that, we discussed in present tense how the active voice is converted into passive voice. So passive voice, you have to remember, you have to use only past participle form of the verb. That is written, known, done, like that. That is the 5th form of verb. So, and don't take any tension. You repeat whatever you are studying. Regularly use while talking, while writing. Write something every day in the evening. Whatever happened from morning to evening, keep on writing in a notebook. Small things. Write a sentence, put a full stop, then again write a sentence. Or point wise you can put. Today I woke up in the morning at so and so time. Then whatever you have done, that simple verb you can use, and only that whatever happened you are writing, you have to use past tense, verbs of past tense. So today we shall talk on future tense, types of tenses in future and their passive voice. As you know, there are 4 types: future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. And after finishing this, I will give you a good information also, which tenses do not have passive voice. Now let us talk about future simple tense. In active voice, how we are making? He writes to minister. If I say, that will be wrong. Future simple we are talking. He will write to minister. If I say in that way, that is also wrong. He will write a letter to minister. He will write a letter to minister. So how we can change this into passive voice? See, he has come, that is subject pronoun. Bill, future simple. Write, verb. A letter, that is a object. To minister, that is also object. So we will shorten it. He will write a letter. So how we will make this into passive voice? A letter will be written by him. The he becomes him. We can say Rama will write a letter. So what is the passive voice for that? A letter will be written by Ram. Now what is the formula for making this future simple tense into passive voice? Object plus will be or shall be, plus past participle form of verb plus by plus the pronoun we are using. So a letter will be written by him. A letter will be written by him. This is the correct way. So another example. So many examples we can give. He will kick the ball. So what is the passive voice for that in future simple? The ball will be kicked by him. The ball will be kicked by him. Another example we can take. We will go to London. So here we cannot make we will go to London. It's an intransitive verb. So there is no passive voice for that. Now another sentence we can use the word inform. Ram will inform the minister. So how we can convert? The minister will be informed by Ram. So will become will be, and you have to add past participle form, then by you have to use. So this is about future simple tense we have converted, and the formula also given. Now let us see what is the next one. Future continuous tense. He will be informing the guest. That is active voice. So here we cannot convert. So future continuous tense, there is no passive voice. Now next one is future perfect tense. I will have informed the minister. So how we can convert? The minister will have been informed by me. So what is the formula for that? Object plus will have been plus past participle form of verb plus by. So I will inform the minister. The minister will be informed by me. By me. So in all passive voice, the by will come. Another example, I will have written a letter. That is in active voice. I will have written a letter. So I will have written a letter. Passive voice, a letter will have been written by me. So that way it is converted. A letter will have. So will have will become will have been written. So future perfect we can convert by using been word. I will have will become will have been. I will have written a letter, that is in active voice. A letter will have been written by me. So in that way we are making future perfect tense into passive voice. Now next, another one is, last one is future perfect continuous tense. That is, I will have been writing a letter to minister. So how we will convert? We cannot convert. So future perfect continuous, there is no passive voice. So out of the tense, 4 types of tenses will not have passive voice at all. One is present perfect continuous tense, no passive voice. Past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Present perfect continuous, I have been informing him. There is no passive voice. Then past perfect continuous, I had been informing him. There is no passive voice. Then future perfect continuous, I will have been informing. There is no passive voice. Another one is future continuous tense, I will be informing him. There is no passive voice. So these are the 4 which do not have passive voice. That you have to remember. You have to remember this way: present perfect continuous, no; past perfect continuous, no; future perfect continuous, no; then future continuous tense, that also don't have. I said that also don't have. I said it is wrong. That also does not have. Let us use, because that means I have used in singular way. So you have to remember all these things, simple things. Now you may use these sentences, make 5-6 sentences in your notebook. Use the transitive verbs. Intransitive verb we cannot convert. Action transferred from subject to object. Such verbs are transitive verbs. He goes. There is no object. Cannot be transferred. Subject also he runs. We cannot say he runs in the ground. The ground is run by him. No, that is wrong. He writes a letter. Writes letters. The object is a letter. He writes a letter. A letter is written by him. That way we can convert. So here you have to remember the transitive verbs only can be used for making passive voice. Hope I am clear. If you have doubts, you can write below in the comment box. Please subscribe. Please also tell your friends. Please share. Please like, so that others will also get benefit. Okay, in next class we will further go to this based on the tense, how we can convert direct speech into indirect speech. So based on tense, once you learn, simple only, once you learn, you can always use, because when we talk with others we will have to use that. He told me that he would be coming. He told me that he would be coming. Like that we are using. He told me that he would not be coming. So he told, they told, what they have done. So that way we have to use. About third person we have to talk with another person when we talk. So okay, bye. Enjoy. and remember to subscribe and to inform your friends, and practice daily 5-6 sentences. Take verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, and use in tenses. Now almost we have learned 12 types of tenses in active voice and 8 types in passive voice. Total it comes to 20. 4 tenses don't have passive voice. So one sentence can be made into how many? 20. So you take from present. I go to market. I write a letter. I am writing a letter. I have written a letter. I have been writing a letter. In past, I wrote a letter. I was writing a letter. I had written a letter. I had been writing a letter. In future, I will write a letter. I will be writing a letter. I will have written a letter. I will have been writing a letter. So that you have to convert into passive voice. That we studied. And passive words also you can write. A letter is written by me. A letter is being written by me. A letter has been written by me. Then past, a letter was written by me. A letter was being written by me. A letter had been written by me. Then in future, a letter will be written by me. A letter will have been written by me. So in this way 20 sentences you can make minimum with the transitive verbs. If transitive verb is not used in other situations also you can make 20. So these 4 tenses you have to drop. You cannot make passive voice. This present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, then future continuous. Okay, good luck, goodbye, see you in the next class.